Hey, what's up guys? 408 Portuguese here, and this is my fit bike. I'm just gonna do a little bike check. So starting off with handlebars, just stock handlebars. In the rims, this back rim is stock. The front rim is nitrous. Is a nitrous rim. Fit Bike Co. forks. Fit stem. This is the Fit Aitken one, by the way. We got stock cranks. Fit seat. The grips are Bell because I already wore my other ones out, but the grips that they originally come with are better than these. So these grips are pretty good too, but still. The chain stock, the sprocket is 22 teeth. Here's the hub sound really quick. Hold on. Yeah. So that was my bike check.